everyone, I'm going to show you how to run a General SIS search in under a minute. This is a useful tool that is beneficial to teachers and administrators. Running this list gives you a ton of data that can be manipulated to your needs and become a mail mergeable field. In OnCourse, the first step that you're going to take is click the SIS tab, then click People. You're going to leave these fields blank and press Run Search. This is going to give you a list of students that are assigned to you in OnCourse. So for a teacher, that's going to be the students rostered to you. And for an administrator, it's either going to be your school level students, or if you're a district administrator, district level visibility. From this list, you can get information such as local ID, their names, schools, homeroom teachers, grade levels, ethnicity, parent contact information. And if you want to just view the information, you can use filters. So if I wanted to filter this by grade level or sort by grade level, I could do that just in a view only mode. Or I could actually filter if I only want to see 9th graders, they would pop up there. If you want to manipulate this information a little bit more, you could export it to Excel. You could also mail merge it. So for example, if I was a teacher and I needed to make labels for all of my students in my homeroom class only, I would filter by my homeroom and I would select mail merge, selected results, and I'm going to create a new template. And let's say these are labels that I need their first and last name on, and I also want their student ID number and homeroom teacher. So I'm going to go to name, put first name, and I'm going to put a space, last name. Then I'm going to put their local ID number, and I also want the homeroom teacher name. Homeroom teacher. So here is my template. You could make certain things bold. You could change the font, change the size, whatever you wanted to do. You could add a little image even if you needed to. Then I'm going to select my labels. So let's say these are going to be little sticky labels. I'm going to press Start Merge, and I'll print this as a PDF document. So here is my PDF, and again, this would print on the labels. So that's a very helpful tool for both teachers and administrators, especially if you're doing some sort of inventory like Chromebooks, or you're putting labels on binders or something like that. But very helpful tool. I hope you've learned something, and if you need any help, please let us know. Thanks.